In this video, I'm going to give those who trade prop firms a mindset shift, and I'm going to explain what you need to do, how to do it, and this mindset shift will drastically help your trading. All right, so let's get right into it. This will be a quick video. So, when you're trading prop firms, and especially I see a lot of people that have migrated to prop firms. A lot of people left from options and all that stuff, and now they kind of migrating to these futures and prop firms altogether. It's a new a big wave of people I've been noticing over the last like year or less than a year, like 6 months ago to now. It's been a rush. So I'm gonna make this video for you. So here's the mindset shift. Does not matter the account size that you get for your prop firm account, right? The only thing you want to look at as far as your available balance is your distributed drawdown. And you're going to look at this as your complete balance. So, say for instance, with this 50,000, don't even look at the 50,000. This is what gets a lot of people in trouble. Only look at your trailing drawdown amount. In this case, it's $2,500. So, from now on out, I want you to only look at this as being your amount of money that you have. Because in reality, no matter what this goes to, if you lose $2,500, you lose the account. So the mindset shift is telling yourself that you only have $2,500 to trade with. This changes everything. This will change it should change your position sizing. It should change your risk to reward management, because you now look at the fact that you only have $2,500. You don't have 50,000. You don't have 100,000. You don't have 150,000 or a $25,000 account. You only have whatever the trailing drawdown amount is. That is what you're going to trade off of, and that's what you're going to make all of your decisions off of. This revelation should really help a lot of people. Okay, so if you're on Tradeovate, I'm going to show you how to add this column to your interface, so that way that and this will update live as you're making trades. Whether you're losing or gaining, it will move accordingly, right? So let me quickly show you how to get to that, and then I'll break down a little bit more of how this works. So the first thing you're going to need to do is inside of your Tradeovate, once you log into your Tradeovate account, and different platforms and brokers have this in some form or fashion. Wealth charts, it actually is already, it usually comes by default on the on your interface, like it's a default metric that you'll see. But for Tradeovate, you're going to go up here to this add button. You're going to click it. You're going to go down to accounts. You're going to look for the widget that says accounts, and then you're going to drag that where you would like it on your interface. In my case, I have it over here, but you could drag it anywhere you like. Next, once it populates, you're going to go to that window, and you're going to look to the top, the upper right corner of that window for a small gearbox, which is going to say view settings. You're going to click on view settings, and then you're going to go down to select columns. So now in this window that pops up, on the right side is what you have currently showing, well, what will be showing on your columns list. On the left side is what is available for you to add to it. So what you're going to want to look for is two things. Well, really you only need one of these, but this is what I have on my settings. But the main one that you're going to need is the distributive drawdown, which is going to be DIST space drawdown. And so I already have it here, but you're going to see it on the left side. You're going to drag it over to the visible column. This is going to be what I call your actual equity. All right, and then the next one that you're going to want to add is the drawdown auto liquidation level. All right, that'll be on the left side, but you'll move it over to the right column here. That one is not so much needed, but if you want to keep up with how much you have or what's the actual dollar amount that your account has to get to before it's considered blown, that will show you that. So, right now it's showing 4,700, 47,500, but as your account moves up, this will change to the actual dollar amount that it's going to take to blow your account. So I find that very helpful. So again, one more time, you need the DIST drawdown net liquidation. You're gonna move that here over to here, and then drawdown auto liquidation level. Move that over. Then you're gonna hit save. All right, and this is what you will see. Okay. Now like I said, the main thing you want to focus on is simply the $2,500. Once you take your mindset from looking at what's up here in the 50,000 in this equity column, and you switch your mindset to believe that this is your new equity, which it truly is. If you really think about it, your true equity is $2,500. Because if at any point you lose $2,500, I don't care if this account gets to 58,000. If you lose 2,500, you lose. So your mindset needs to change from this, because what happens is you see this big amount and you trade accordingly. You say, hey, I got $50,000 available to me to trade, so let me get 10 contracts or whatever you may do, 5 minis, 10 minis, and swing it hard. And then you know what happens after that a lot of times. So if you tell yourself, hey, this is I only have $2,500, so I better not be trading 10, because that's going to take that $2,500 in 2 seconds. So I just want to put that video out real quick for you, just a quick mindset shift, to know that whatever your equity is, and whatever your drawdown is, rather, sorry, whatever your trailing drawdown is, consider that your equity. So you may not be $2,500. You may have a $100,000 account where it's $3,000 trailing drawdown. So in that case, you have $3,000 of tradable equity. $3,000, and that's what you have to put in your mind to believe when you're trading. That will help you manage things a little better. If you liked the video, go ahead and hit that subscribe and like the video for me. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, go ahead and subscribe. Also, we have a community of like-minded traders. You're absolutely welcome to join for totally free. The link to the Discord is down in the description. We're here to help you, and if you have some insight to help, hey, go ahead and come in, and we're all going to help each other there. We're all there. It's a mature crowd, and we're all heading to the same prosperous path. All right, and then also, if you want to get better at your trading, if your results are not consistent and you want to get better, go ahead and grab my book in the description. It's on Amazon. It's How to Day Trade. You're going to be getting education from a 14-year trader, so you're getting over 14 years of experience in the book.